Welcome back to another holistic education video. This video is part 2 in a 25-part series of the 25 hardest SAT math problems of this year according to Prep Maven. In this video, we'll be going over problem number 2, which states a number A is 110% greater than a number B. The number B is 90% less than 47. What is the value of A? So this question is all about what it means for a number to be a certain percentage more or less than another number. So let's recap what that means. When we say that a number is X percent greater than another number, what that means is that we're taking 100% of the value of the first number and adding X percent to it. And alternatively, if a number is X percent less than another number, we're taking 100% of the value of the first number and subtracting X percent from it. So for example, if a number was 50% greater than another number, let's say Y is 50% greater than X, and that would mean that Y is equal to the full value of X plus another 50% of X, which, just remember, 50%, when we say something is 50%, we mean it's just 50 parts out of 100, which is to say the same thing as 1/2 or 0.5. So when we say that a number Y is 50% greater than X, we're saying that it's the full value of X plus half of X, or in other words, 1.5X. And if we were to say that instead of being greater, if we were to say it is less, then that would just be the full value of X minus half the value of X, or in other words, 0.5X. So, to get back to our question, we have A is 110% greater than B, and B is 90% less than the number 47. So this is two different equations that we can set up and then solve them both. So if A is 110% greater than B, that means A is equal to the full value of B plus an additional 110% of B, or in other words, 1.1B, meaning that A is equal to 2.1B. And if B is 90% less than 47, that means that B is equal to the full value of 47 minus 90%, or 0.9 of 47. Which means, in other words, it is equal to 10%, or 0.1 of 47. So in order to solve for A, so we have A equals 2.1B and B equals 0.1 of 47. In order to solve for A, we need to know B, but we can calculate B by multiplying this out to get that B is equal to 4.7. And now that we have our value of B right here, we can plug that back in here to get that A equals 2.1 times 47, which we can plug into our calculator to find equals 9.87. And here we have our final answer for the value of A, which is 9.87. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.